Hello, I'm Paul Pluter and welcome to the Archie Luxury channel. Today I'd like to do a comparison of two Rolex Submariners, and these are the Rolex Submariner date models. The models I'd like to talk about are the 16610 and the 116610LV. That's the green limited edition version in the new size and proportions of it. It's also fitted with the wonderful ceramic bezel. How do I feel about this watch compared to a traditional 16610? Well, personally, I prefer the classic 16610. I think the proportions are right, I think the color of the bezel and the dial are right, and I'm not a huge fan of the ceramic. I think the classic 16610 will become a modern classic, and I think prices will rise. It's a great time to pick this watch up second hand, and you will see some great investment growth. Does it mean I dislike the new model? Look, the new model is going to be a very popular watch, and it's going to set the trend for future sports watches. Rolex really had no choice with the size of the Planet Ocean and Breitling for Bentley and Breitling watches coming in bigger and bigger sizes. Audemars Piguet was also attacking with the offshore diver, which was being released and updated as time continued. Personally, I prefer the traditional classic elegance of the 16610. That's the classic 90s sub with the Holes case, the black dial, the non-ceramic bezel, and I think that's probably the most perfect dive watch. I'm not a huge fan of the ceramic because I don't like the proportions that the watch has grown to. Does it mean it won't be popular? Probably not. My advice probably isn't that it's not going to sway generations of buyers in years to come. But mark my words, the 16610 will become a modern classic in the times we live. The 16610, I think, represents the best bang per buck date type Submariner to buy. And as far as the popularity, the interesting thing is they've kept the size diameter of the case the same. It still remains at 40 mil, and even though they've changed the way it looks, this could be reversed later if this styling on the new model does not prove popular. Rolex has put their neck out with the Explorer 2, where it's gone to 42 mils, and they very wisely used that there as a litmus test to see if that proves very popular or is a mistake. And you have to agree, their marketing and transgression of the models is first rate. I personally, if you wanted to ask me what's the best Submariner, I'd say a 16610 from the 90s. Second hand would be the best bang per buck buy. But if I was given a brand new green limited edition Submariner with ceramic bezel, I'd proudly wear it. I'm Paul Pluter for the Archie Luxury channel, reporting on these two iconic Submariners.